Hi everyone, today I'm doing a tutorial on this dramatic burgundy smoky makeup look. Here I'm starting with the foundation, applying it all over my face with a round fluffy brush. After applying it all over my face, I'm taking my beauty blender and evenly distributing it and blending it all over. Next, I will be filling and shaping my brows. This is a very important step. For the smoky eye effect, I'm using a technique with using an eye pencil underneath, smudging it and then applying eyeshadow on top. Here I'm blending the eye pencil. Notice that I won't go beyond my crease. I'm doing the same steps in the bottom lash line too. First applying the eyeliner and then smudging it out. Next, taking this burgundy color, I'm packing it up onto my lid with the flat brush. And of course, I'm doing the same step at the bottom lash line. I will first clean at the crease with a clean brush and then taking this mauve shade on a fluffy brush, I will be blending it on my crease. Take your time blending the eyeshadows because this will really give you a nice smoking effect. Next, I'll be taking a liquid brown eyeliner, pulling out a wing and then smudging it with a bit of burgundy eyeshadow on my brush. I finished my eyeshadow work. I'm just cleaning off the under eye area with a bit of foundation on the sponge. Moving on, I'm taking this plum eyeliner and tight lining my lower lash line and then curling my lashes. I'm applying mascara generously because I'm not using lashes for this look. I will now go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. First apply it with a small brush and then blend it out with a thicker one. Now to change this look into an absolute glam or editorial look, I'll be applying some glitter glue in the inner corners of my eye. I will be first applying it with a small brush, then taking some glitter, delicately I'll apply it only in the inner corners. Now I will be highlighting the high points of my cheeks with a small brush first and then blending it out with a heavier one. This I'm also highlighting the brow bone. I will now contour my face so that I get that beautiful definition. I will now be contouring my cheekbones, my nose and my jawline. To make sure this smoky eye doesn't make my face look dull, I'll be applying this soft pink blusher on my cheeks. This step will help put the whole look together. Usually when I'm doing a dramatic or a smoky eye, I do prefer to go with a nude lip. This pinkish nude is a perfect combination. Kind of editorial and subtly dramatic. To make it look more beautiful, I am now wearing a burgundy dress and highlighting my collarbones with the same highlighter. So here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. I enjoyed creating this look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.